the way. They had me just waiting to join for some reason.
Yeah, no problem, bro. I just started recording, so.
Cool. Yeah, I'm peeping in you now. Looks like exactly macro consolidation, break to the high. Exactly what you were saying with that daily structure there, as
Yeah,
well as that wedge I'm seeing.
yeah, bro. Looking nice.
Here.
Just like we saw here, you guys. So this is they do the same shit over and over and over. So once again, consolidation. And this is to reverse the trend, okay? Consolidation, breakout, induction, reversal. Consolidation, breakout, induction, reversal. Does that make sense? Maybe even a little signature trade.
We have news in 15, looks like.
Yeah,
Let me
looks
double
like
check.
that moves pretty soon.
Yep, 15 minutes.
Yeah, NU has been slow this week, but they've really been making it. This is what I really like to see as well, yo. So they've been inducing a downtrend. Yo, what the heck? Who's writing on the screen here? They have been inducing for the beginning of the week. So Sunday, Monday, and I think this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was that induction trend, in my opinion. Wednesday was somewhat of a midweek reversal to hit the stops of people trading this downtrend. Yet at the same time, this breakout induces the buys. And at the very same time, we have retail traders placing their trend lines up here, or support, resistance, whatever, right up here. And when it breaks out of there, we have inducing the buy even more. So, in my opinion, this is just inducing buys and inducing buys. They've already they created a fake downtrend to wipe out the sellers before they sell, in my opinion. So this is what we could see for news. News is in 15 minutes. Any thoughts, Elwin? What do you think about that?
It looks like we're inducing high, back to the high a little bit right before news.
Yeah,
And I will say that's a common tendency when we'll see a reversal. So yeah, we could come like right around that area, maybe not even break the high that was set earlier in the session. But I actually have the same sentiment on this one here. So we might see some type of a little bit of more of an induction high in this last 15 minutes here is what I'm potentially seeing. Let me look at.
yeah, bro. AU as well.
Yeah, that's what I was pulling up right now.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
See here. Yeah, it looks like Euro. Euro's done already. I don't know if you saw Euro USD.
Yeah, EU. Wow. Well, I think they might want to come off this low. Well, yeah, I don't know. They've moved quite a bit.
Mm-hmm. Both
Yeah, just
ways.
continue. Yeah, I don't really
Yeah.
like to trade after like big moves like that unless it's in a zone or like I was anticipating the move and like anticipating like a reversal.
Yeah, I was looking to short Euro USD. I was looking at it during Asian and I was expecting some type of breakout, but I didn't expect that type of breakout. So I just couldn't catch that one. So all good.
So you want to share your screen, bro, for a second?
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm gonna send a trade to the academy.
Okay, let me just pull it up. All right. You should be able to see everyone. Let's go back over to NU. Just pulling up a higher time frame on this here. Still got a little bit before noon. So my bad, guys. Computer being a little bit buggy here. The chat. Addie said GU showing obvious support too. Maybe E. Let me go look at GU real quick. A little choppy on the 15. Let me go to hour real quick. A little cleaner here. Agreed. Agreed. Yeah, it does look like some obvious support in this area. To me, GU, it's just very choppy. I could see it just dropping based on how these traps are playing out because we were in a downtrend. We're just kind of hanging out around this obvious support, like Addie said. So I could see it just dropping out, but this is one I would personally leave alone based on how the candlesticks are and me trying to get a tight stop loss. Dylan, you see anything on GU by chance?
GU, I was kind of expecting yesterday a stop onto the highs. Today, I don't know. I think we could see maybe a quick wick to the high, if anything, and then a drop, or just a straightaway drop.
That's what I was thinking as well. Here, we're getting close. Let's jump back over to NU. Ignore my fib, guys. It's something I'm playing with. My fib showing. So yeah, like I was saying on NU, we've been in this, if you look at the macro, we've been trending down. Starting the beginning of the month, new quarter. This is where, we saw this similar on AU as well. This area is being worked. Was support, was resistance, now support. So yeah, if you look at the macro and then bring it in, this area was hit, inducing those sells, like Dylan said, bring them to this area here. We break out, stop them out, induce buys. We looking to sell. Let's see UCAT. Neil seems to like it today. UCAT, I was seeing buys. I think entry would have been missed. Let's see here. For me, at least, there was an ECR on this one. You could have got maybe like right before Euro News. Kind of already took off here. Had a little railroad here. Could have got in. Let's see, 10 pip stop loss below your EMA. So yeah, 10 pips gets you in cleanly. Stop Nala. My cat's messing with stuff here. And then let's see. I mean, you would have been a little like 17 pips in profit, risking 10. Dylan actually called this 2 days ago, or yeah, when I think a lot of us guys were thinking that they may break low to stop out this fake support. I think Dylan was just saying anything's gonna go right up, and it did. Like we were actually live right here. I think Dylan.
That's crazy.
What you think? UCAD going up or?
Yeah, I think it'll probably shoot up. We might see like a small induction down, but yeah, in my opinion, it's not really like I wouldn't trade it personally. I see different pairs that look nicer to be traded. I actually just sent an analysis, and I'm about to send the notification. Just sent it now. New analysis
Go
on
ahead
the
and
channel
share it.
on NZD/USD. Yeah, I think NU's probably gonna drop. I got a pending up here at this high.
Here, I'm gonna let you share.
Yeah, that's right.
Here you go.
Okay, so I got a pending sell limit right up here. Actually, I have two of them. I have one at 0.64426, right at this black line. Then I have one at the high right up here at 0.644 or 0.645. Once again, if you guys want to get in, I have a pending sell limit at around 0.644, this black line here, and at the high. So about 0.645. News. News is in 3 minutes. So we'll just wait it out.
Yeah, guys, this is the part of the job that's not that glamorous. You know, sometimes you just got to wait around for these moves, show up to the office, and, you know, stay focused at the same time. So,
That's true, yo. And waking up, yo, waking up is like, I would say for me, waking up at the correct time, on time, was the hardest part. Whether it's London session, waking up at 2 a.m., or New York session, waking up at like 5:30. So if you can just, wake up on time, that's a big part of it, honestly. Also, you guys, you don't have to have a sell limit. You can just sell right now if you want. I have a sell limit up here just to get a better entry. Um, but the bias is a sell. So if you were to sell now, you could have maybe a 15 to 18 pip stop loss. I would I would say that would be an appropriate stop loss.
let's see here.
All right, news is in about 1 minute.
Patty said he's seeing a signature on UCAD working to the high of yesterday. Let's see here. All right, we're seeing some action.
The news was just released.
See, guys, you don't got to be all scared and shaking at news. It's just news.
Someone asked if the USD CAD analysis has expired. Yeah, I would say yes. Yeah, we were waiting for an induction to the downside before that reversal happened, but it looks like they just moved up. They didn't really induce. So
Yeah.
this was an interesting move on USD CHF. Uh, kind of kind of makes me think they want to drop, but at the same time, this consolidation happened and the induction was to the downside. So the real move could be going up. And that's kind of in correlation with our bias of the dollar getting stronger and NZD dropping, AU dropping, USD CHF going up, GU most likely dropping. GU might not really even do anything. It might just consolidate.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I see GJ's dropping. GJ looks like a beautiful macro M. That was actually a nice trade, it looks like. Pound yen. I might actually look look for this later. Yeah, I'll let y'all know if I see any entries on pound yen later this maybe like an Asian session even. But for now, leave it alone. So UCAD's the one that's moving. That would have been a nice trade, guys. Brandon probably in this trade. I bet Human's in this trade. Okay, let's see here.
Gabriel asked USD CAD signature. I would say no, bro, because we have a change in the trend. So this was it was downtrending. Now we have it changing. It looks like it could start to uptrend. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it could do that, but that's not a signature trade to me.
Yeah, the daily structure says up, and the momentum as well to me. And it actually makes sense with what you were saying. I'm trying to remember what pair you were just saying. Did something similar. Let me find it. Oh, USD CHF.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, not much movement for the news.
Is audio finally moving? A little bit. It's going a little bit. So audio did give an entry, it looks like, right at New York Open. That wick right to the liquidity pool on the 15-minute on oh, not on this one. Let's see. Went right to that area though, that right to that high, like you have marked out. Yo, Dylan, you still there?
Yeah. Someone asked why
Oh, okay.
why we marked this area up here. This was actually the high, I believe, the high of the week. So this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. Yes. This is the high of the week. This is the high of the day, the previous day. Here's the high of the day. And there's going to be a massive amount of liquidity in this area. So that's kind of why I marked it out. That's probably why they drove up to that area.
Still going. It's funny because correlation means nothing today for those. UCAD up, UJ down.
All right, you guys, we got less than a minute left. So I guess we'll kind of just refresh our bias. NZD USD looks like it's going to short. Didn't exactly short for the news, kind of like we were expecting, but that doesn't really matter. I could still trickle downwards, still start falling into New York and Asian session. Actually, Ellen mentioned yesterday that I think it was Aussie pairs, NZD pairs like to move Asian session a lot as well. So
Definitely.
Australian dollars is kind of dropping a little bit. We have a reversal bias on that one. USD CHF bias is upwards. I wouldn't even trade it though, because there's better opportunities on different pairs. Euro USD not trading. Bias is downward though. GU bias is downward. Not trading it because there's better opportunities on different pairs. USD CAD bias is to the upside. All right, you guys, just wanted to show the aftermath of the trade that we called out live on, I think it was Thursday. So yesterday, New York session, we called this trade out live for everyone. I told you guys to place a pending right here, literally right at this black line. Pending sell. And currently, take profit 1 has been hit. 0.9 pips of drawdown. 0.9. Floating 60 pips. Take profit 1, 40 pips. Beautiful trade. Beautiful signature trade. Called it out live for everybody in the academy. If you guys would like to join the academy, check out Forexia.net or backoffice Forexia.net. You guys can enjoy daily live analysis with the mentors, with the crew. I personally am doing live sessions, live trading sessions every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for New York session. So if you guys want to catch me just like this session, you guys can catch me live. You guys can trade with me. Catch pips just like this. Forexia.net. Alright, you guys, have a great day. Peace out.